Ayete Dumela Kuyabona Kala nishaya nizana Nibahle kakhulu ngiyacabanga masisuka lana ngeke siphume siyoqhubeka kuze kushaya 10 ebusuku phela bonke kahle akumelanga usheshe uphumule ngithanda ukulothisa umkhosi ubuholi bonke ngiyakulothisa nonke bayethu ngilothisa bomma ngapha ngiyabalothisa ngithi bomma lotshani ngilothise nonke ngiyakulothisa igama lami awumadoda ngathi kunzima kakhulu igama lami uWalter Kanxumalo uzwidekalanga sothondozo othunda kutholakala kwamakaza udwane ukhathwa
ngiyabingelela kubalandeli bonke igama lami uWalter Kanxumalo uzwidekalanga sothondozo umthondo wethusi as MC wanamuhla bengila ibhetali la. Everything was perfect, everything was well as we were enjoying to celebrate Heritage Day. Sabona sahlala namakhosi, the attendance was good, the food is perfect, everyone here was welcoming. Konke khambeke kahle siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke abahlele lolu hlelo lelu. Siyabonga kakhulu nokuthi ngibe uMC kule event enkulu kangaka. Uzwidekalanga uyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. My message to the young people ukuthi kubalekile uyazi imvelaphi yakho at this present moment. Inganami ngizwile ngithe Uzwidekalanga sothondozo umthondo wethusi because I know who I am. So kubalekile ukuthi singagcili kakhulu kusingisi kanti masazi nendabuko yethu ukuthi wena umZulu wakuphi umXhosa wakuphi and njengoba celebrate Heritage Day let us continue ukuthi sikhulisa amasiko ethu kuze nalabo abasilandelayo nabo ba understand ukuthi isiko lesintu libaleke kakhulu. Thank you.